Subscribe to Adventures with Data. Turn on the bell so you don't miss any stories. And leave a comment for me.
Saya, the 26-year-old Japanese girl who grew up among numbers. Saya grew up on the outskirts of Tokyo. Their home was small, but her father loved accounting and always had a thick accounting ledger open on their old wooden desk. Saya loved the sound of the pages. Numbers felt like poetry to her.
When she turned 18 and entered Kyoto University, everyone expected her to follow her father's path. But Saya decided to become an entrepreneur.
Alongside her studies, she started a small online business of homemade Japanese sweets.
These matcha cookies will be perfect today. Time to deliver these to the neighborhood. I hope everyone enjoys these treats.
So many orders. So many expenses.
So many orders, so many expenses. Every number, one by one. This is endless. Error! Error! Why now?
One autumn night, light rain fell, and the steam of green tea fogged her small room.
Maybe there's a simpler way.
The results were full of Excel tutorials.
Saya clicking to open the video.
Sum.
Just type /sum/.az and let Excel do the work.
If your life is full of numbers, let sum be your friend.
A friend? A formula?
Just type equals sum and let Excel do the work. I can do this. Let's see how this works. It worked! The total appears.
In a fraction of a second, the total sales of her month appeared.
Is this magic? It felt like a mountain had been lifted off my shoulders. That night, she worked until dawn, organizing everything using sum formulas. Finally, I have control over everything.
The next day, her father came to visit.
Saya, did you do all this accounting yourself?
Dad, I made a new friend. Its name is Sum.
Chuckles softly. In my eyes, a spark of pride appeared.
And this is how the sum formula became the starting point of Saya's success.
It's amazing how far we've come. Let me show you how to make these sweets.
Focus on the details. Every step matters. Before everything, learn sum. Always start with sum, you know? It saves time.
And sometimes your whole life. your piece.
Yes, that's right.
And sometimes your whole life.
This is wonderful!
I couldn't have done this without you.
The storybook slowly begins to close. Warm memories linger in every page. The girl who loved the sound of turning pages found her own way with one simple formula. Yesum.
And so, the tale of Saya concludes.